Welcome to Lingala Institute. My name is Jonas Lusa. This Lingala lesson is about some vocabularies and short phrases. The first one is kutanga, to count. Kutanga, to study. Kutangisa, to teach. Utangaka wapi? Where do you go to school? Utangaka nini? What do you study? Thank you so much. The transcript of this lesson can be found in description, and if you want to check more of our lessons, you can visit the website lingalainstitute.com. You will click on dictionary. From there you will see all our lessons, and some of them are not made into videos yet, but they will, trust me. I record every day, like 10, 20, 50 videos a day.